Oh, I hear people screaming. Oh, there we go. Oh, that wasn't the party boat. That was the firework barge that we were looking at. That was over there past the ferry. That was the firework barge. It wasn't a party boat or a booze cruise. Usually they have them over here. But that's cool because now we can see the bridge behind it. Look at them up there. Look at them in the clouds. You can barely even see them. The clouds are so low. That's crazy. Look how low the clouds are. You can't even see the top ones. That's pretty cool. There's a storm rolling in. It's supposed to rain in the next hour. My dad says it's been pouring in Cape May for a long time now. Look at that, you can't even see them up there. Look at that, they're in the freaking clouds. What? How crazy is that? I don't think I've ever seen that before. They're like bombs bursting in air in war or whatever. Up in the clouds. Wow, look at that. That's so cool.
I'm trying to find film video. I don't know how to do it.
How cool is that though? You can't even see them. They're falling off on there. That is so cool. That is so cool. That's so cool. Wow, it's so cool. I've never seen that before where they're up in the clouds like that. flares going off in the sky, like during war times. The one's all the way up high there. There's another one up there. Enough stuff to get the whole thing. What do you think? Is this the finale here? Ooh, felt that one in your chest. That one too. Feel that percussion. Definitely feel that percussion. Yep, Happy New Year. Look at on the water. I want to turn it sideways, but everyone hates when you turn it like that. I think it's a better picture though. Because it shows them on the ground, on the water too. But, yeah, like that. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool, reflecting off the water. I know people hate it though, so I'll go back for you. There you go.
Watching this picture, man.
Happy New Year 2022. Let's hope it's better than 2021. Here I'm doing the horns on the boats. They did fire off the, like I said, a couple years they fired off the guns on there. Not this year. Check it out. There's more off in the distance. Oh. What are we hearing? Yeah, there's more off in the distance over here. There's quite a few places that there are. I wish you guys could see better. The setup, there's a little bit better. They have across the way there. I don't know if that's Penn's Landing or what that is. But they got some pretty cool setup with Christmas trees and stuff. Pretty cool. They don't even have red, white, and blue on the, oh, there's another one. They don't even have red, white, and blue on the, bridge. It's kind of lame. Look, I think that's Penn's Landing over here. And I think that over there is the, Hilton or it's either the Hilton or there's a big apartment building there that has an atrium in the middle with all growing plants all inside of it. Really freaking neat if you can ever get over to it and sneak in. Just act like you live there and go inside. It's like 4 stories tall and all live growing plants everywhere. It's right next to the Ben Franklin Bridge on the PA side. Yeah, he's moving. He's a-moving. One last shot of the boat. That's a good one right there. I hear music they're playing. They have people up there that you can pay to go on and drink and watch the fireworks. Like I said, did it once with my mom before she passed. Alright guys, Happy New Year. See you again soon. He's a cruising. Where's he going? Oh, he's going into the marina. I don't know what he's doing, but he's going and going quick. Right into the marina. Alright guys, be safe. Have a good one. Hopefully this year is better than what we've got out of this past year, which has been a big fat turd. Alright, bye.